powerful enhancements to the new unified simulation system, great additions to the node editor, even better Redshift integration, and much more. You'll notice immediately that Cinema 4D 2024 is much faster. Cinema 4D 2024 includes incredible performance improvements in all areas, while keeping the same intuitive workflows you know and love. With over twice the playback performance compared to previous versions of Cinema 4D, you can experience real-time responsiveness in many scenes. Pyro has been incredibly popular since its first release. Now in Cinema 4D 2024, you can set the initial state to specify exactly how your Pyro simulation begins. You can also emit Pyro directly from particles and the MoGraph matrix object, creating fire, smoke, and dust trails that make use of color, scale, and other attributes. Now it's easy to art direct Pyro at a low resolution and then up-res it to impressively high detailed simulations with the single click of a button. And using the new cache list, you can directly compare different versions of your cache volumes with ease. In this release, we've also added rigid bodies to the unified simulation system. This means you can now simulate rigid bodies together with soft bodies, cloth, rope, and even Pyro. Take advantage of GPU processing and shape simplification for incredible performance when simulating complex meshes. We've also enhanced Cinema 4D's modeling toolset with this release. Use the new Select Pattern tool to repeat polygon selections across the surface of your mesh. Or use the new Projection Deformer for enhanced animations that quickly move points from one object to another. Take advantage of the Phong tag's new style option to eliminate shading artifacts, or use the all-new normal editing tool to gain full control while tweaking the vertex and polygon normals. Also, we revamped the Vamp Manager with the ability to transfer UV and weight normal data from one mesh to another, while preserving the edge breaks. The new node editor in Cinema 4D 2024 now has scaffolds and notes to make your node setups more readable. Use scaffolds to visually group nodes and move them around as a whole. Adding or removing nodes to a scaffold is as easy as dragging it in and out. The new notes allow you to easily add comments in various colors, sizes, and styles. And as always, new nodes have been added to give you more flexibility in controlling your assets. The viewport has a new option that allows you to view polygon and point indices, both in object and component modes. The modeling brush and magnet tool have been improved with a new surface smear mode that retains the surface flow, and both have a new preserve boundary setting that preserves both mesh and selection boundaries when you use the tool. Starting in Cinema 4D 2024, Redshift is Cinema 4D's default render engine, and we've made the integration even better. You can now choose to create Redshift materials when importing popular exchange formats like OBJ, FBX, GLTF, and USD. And simplified versions of Redshift materials will be exported via the same formats, as well as Cineware for Unreal. This makes it easy to design content in Cinema 4D and Redshift that's destined for interactive projects.